Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Starting out humid and warm across the region this morning. Did see some patchy fog lingering across the area this morning. It's going to continue to burn off across the area. We'll see mostly sunny skies and partly cloudy skies throughout the day today, with some filtered sunshine developing for later this afternoon with some serious cloudiness building in. Headline today will be some hot temperatures across the region. Inland locations will be in the 90s today. Here at Wallops will be in the upper 80s. See those dew points drop back into the 60s today, so not going to have any heat index issues as our actual temperature will be very similar to the feel-like temperature across the area today. As far as our thunderstorm chances go today, it'll be minimal, with looking at near 0% chances of lightning as well as precipitation across the region. As we move into our Friday, we'll see showers and thunderstorms start to develop tomorrow afternoon, and that's going to give us a fairly unsettled day as it appears for especially the afternoon and the evening hours on Friday. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure in control off the southeast coast. That's pumping in the warm and humid to hot air across the region today. We'll have a boundary start to approach the region for our Friday into Saturday, giving us chances of showers and thunderstorms. Current observation across the region, we have a few clouds around 600 feet, scattered at 25,000 feet. Statute mile visibility down to 6 miles, with our some mist across the region with that patchy fog off into the horizon. Looking at our winds at southwesterly at 5 knots, temperature 75 degrees, and relative humidity around 90%. Our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have that lingering patchy fog across the region. It's going to continue to move off the coast and burn off for the rest of the morning hours, and then we'll just see that plentiful sunshine for the afternoon. And taking a look at our HERM model for today into tomorrow, you can see a possibility of that patchy fog lingering this morning, and then once we move in the afternoon hours, we'll see the serious cloudiness building in from the west and into the overnight hours. We'll just continue to see this serious cloudiness build across the region, possibility of seeing some showers and thunderstorms south of the Virginia-North Carolina border for later this evening, but overall across our region, dry conditions. Once we move into Friday morning, continue to see humid conditions across the region, as well as warm temperatures, and we'll start to develop possibilities from showers and thunderstorms once we move past about noon tomorrow. And once we move into the evening hours, we'll see that shower and thunderstorm activity really build up across the region, seeing good chances of showers and thunderstorms, especially in the late afternoon and evening hours. And that'll continue during the early overnight hours of Friday into Saturday, with chances of showers and thunderstorms continuing. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a green chart across the board the next 24 hours. We'll see high today around 87 degrees, low tonight of 71. We'll see westerly winds for later this morning into the early afternoon hours. That's going to allow us to warm up nicely, and becoming southwesterly and finally southerly, and seeing a sea breeze 8 to 13 knots later this afternoon. Overnight, we'll see light winds in general, south 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest at 3 to 7 knots. And taking a look at our terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions the next 24 hours, just seeing that upper level cirrus cloudiness build across the region for later on today into the overnight hours. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Friday into Saturday, Friday partly mostly cloudy, humid, good chance of afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, a high 85. Friday night partly to mostly cloudy, good chance of showers and thunderstorms during the evening and early overnight hours. We'll see a low of 71, and for Saturday, mostly cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms, a high of 83 degrees. It looks like we'll continue to see those chances on Saturday. It looks a bit less than previously thought for Saturday, with more onshore flow, especially in the afternoon out of the northeast. That should limit our instability for Saturday afternoon, with just some isolated showers and thunderstorms appears now. But our best chance comes Friday into Friday night, with orange here for our precipitation as well as for our lightning. So looking at greater than 50% chances of those showers and thunderstorms, and then looking like around a 30% chance on Saturday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everyone has a great day today. We're back at 10 o'clock in 7 days.